Professor Vijayaraghavan, Secretary, Department of Science and Technology, Department of Scientific and Industrial Research, and Department of Biotechnology. My friend Dr. Ramaswamy, former Secretary, Department of Science and Technology. Dr. Indrajit Singh, Joint Secretary, Inspire, Department of Science and Technology. Dr. Mukhopadhyay, Scientology and Advisor, Department of Science and Technology. Friends from across the schools, award winners, parents, members of the jury, members of the media, and all officers of the Government of India here. I am pleased and delighted to be here at the National Awards presentation ceremony of the 4th National Level Exhibition and Project Competition under the Inspire scheme by Department of GST and Pragati College. Friends, from the heady success of the Mars Orbiter mission to the start of the Swachh Bharat campaign, the past few weeks have seen pride, excitement, resolve, determination, and to my mind, the beginnings of the participation of ordinary Indians in nation building. The initiative by science and technology, therefore, through the 11th campaign, has to be lauded for sowing the seeds afresh of interest in sciences, the movement for science as a preferred option, and the continuation of scientific knowledge pursuit to the research and PhD stage as a result of the very successful implementation of this scheme. With a mind-boggling 1 million Inspire awards sanctioned to date, the impressive participation of 2 to 3 lakh students in internship camps, and the approval of 10 patents already have already exhibited the efficacy of this scheme and the career opportunity that has been assured for so many of the young people assembled here. ITPO is proud to be associated as a partner to ensure that the strenuous efforts of the Department of Science and Technology countrywide are showcased appropriately for the parents, the visitors, and the scientific community, the scientific mentors, and jury and public at large. As a partner and event manager for the DST, ITPO tries to bring in the best standards for the exhibition industry so that all our stakeholders are confident of marketing and exposition that has enduring outcomes. With our track record of excellent rating by the Department of Public Enterprises for 3 years in a row, our record rupees 180 crore profits over the last fiscal, our reduction in expenditure, especially by bringing in green and national technologies in transport, electricity, and water consumption, strict adherence to standard operating procedures in housekeeping, and a team of dedicated professionals who attempt to deliver a single window of services, whether it is security, housekeeping, or food and beverage. I am proud that for my colleagues at the dais, Pragati Maidan is indeed a favored destination. The Inspire project run with the intense work done at field levels as a precursor to the national event teaches us how a successful project in the Government of India should be administered and monitored. The activities throughout the year that precede this event, the holding of camps in far-off and diverse places, the involvement of the senior scientific community with commitment, linkages with students from the most remote areas truly deserves accolades. I would like to compliment the Secretary, Department of Science and Technology, and Joint Secretary and their team for the magnificent performance that I have been privileged to witness for the last 3 years at a stretch. I would also strongly suggest to Professor Vijayaraghavan that the outlines of the performance, the scheme, and the successful outcomes should definitely be exhibited overseas. Dear young scientists, while complimenting you all for your projects, your participation in this project, and your presence here today, I would once again urge you to think seriously of the power of knowledge and the power you possess to be a strong nation builder and a part of brand building. May you go to great heights in your career. I extend my invitation to you also for the India International Trade Fair November 2014, and congratulations to all the young innovators and the young prize winners today. Thank you very much for your care.
Thanks so much. For those inspiring words, ladies and gentlemen, it's time now to move ahead.